Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Google Shopping ads for higher search demand, detailed guide step by step clearly. To enable Google Shopping ads for higher search demand, start by logging into your Google Ads account. On the left sidebar, click on the Campaigns tab. Next, click on the blue plus sign to create a new campaign. Select Sales as your campaign goal to maximize conversions. In the Campaign Type section, choose Shopping. If you have multiple linked Merchant Center accounts, select the appropriate one. Decide whether you want a standard shopping campaign or a smart shopping campaign. For better control over your ads, opt for a standard shopping campaign. Enter a descriptive name for your campaign for easy identification. Set your daily budget based on your marketing spend goals. Choose a bidding strategy that aligns with your objectives, like maximize clicks or target return on ads. Once set, move to the Networks section. Decide whether you want your ads to appear on Google Search and Display Network. After that, you will set the start and end dates for your campaign if applicable. Then, navigate to the Ad Group settings. Create an ad group name that reflects the products being promoted. Set the product group by clicking on the pencil icon. Define your product groups based on categories, brands, or custom labels for better targeting. Now, configure the negative keyword list to prevent your ads from showing in irrelevant searches. Proceed to create your shopping ads by clicking on the Ads tab. Fill in the required fields such as the final URL, the display path, and ad copy that resonate with potential customers. Review your ads for any spelling or formatting errors before saving. Finally, click on Save and Continue to finalize your campaign settings. Your Google Shopping ads are now enabled and ready to drive higher search demand for your products. Regularly monitor your campaign performance through the Google Ads dashboard. Adjust your bids and budget as necessary based on ad performance metrics. This will ensure your shopping ads remain effective and competitive. Stay updated with trends and customer behaviors to optimize your campaigns over time. By following these steps, you can effectively enable Google Shopping ads to capture higher search demand. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.